Seattle, state and local leaders are still saying the risk from the Wunan coronavirus in the U.S. is low despite the numbers of people being tested and the one confirmed case in Snohomish County. As of this morning, we hold steady at one case of novel coronavirus, said State Secretary of Health John Wiseman. That patient is still in satisfactory condition at Providence Health Care in Everett, officials said. Governor Jay Inslee said the coronavirus issue is serious and it's all hands on deck when it comes to dealing with and preventing the spread of infection. As the threat of the coronavirus spreads through China and worldwide, closer to home, King County leaders say they have 50 people working around the clock focusing on the coronavirus issue. While we have not seen sustained instances of coronavirus in Washington state, we must remain vigilant, said King County Executive Dow Constantine. So far, 10 people have been tested in King County. 6 tested negative and 4 cases are pending. 3 suspected cases at the University of Washington all turned out to be negative, officials said. To deal with the concern statewide, the governor says 200 people are working to monitor the health and safety of its residents. State health officials agree. Since the virus can cause severe illness and outbreak as seen in China, we have expanded our response to the situation so that we are absolutely prepared should we have more cases of novel coronavirus in Washington, said Wiseman. Statewide, 16 people have been tested for possible coronavirus infection. 7 have tested negative, and 8 cases are pending. 1 tested positive. The Washington State Department of Health said 67 close contacts from the patient are actively being monitored by local public health officials. They are looking for signs of fever, cough, or other symptoms of a coronavirus infection. That one positive case of coronavirus in Washington state was the first in the U.S. It involved a man in his 30s in Snohomish County. He is in satisfactory condition at Providence Hospital in Everett. Today, state and local leaders respond the coronavirus concern. We want to get ahead of this virus. If you are going to stop a pandemic, you've got to get ahead of it. We can't chase it and always be a week behind. What we have done is marshal the resources so we can bring them to bear, said Governor Inslee. At SeaTac International Airport this week, the CDC expanded screening for the novel coronavirus. SeaTac is one of 20 airports that has already stepped up its screening. All international passengers on direct flights from China are being screened. The governor also asked the CDC to extend expanded screening for coronavirus, asking for temperature monitoring of passengers as they come in. He also believes the state should have health histories taken by passengers before they enter. The Port of Seattle also says it's taking extra measures to prevent the spread. We've increased our janitorial service in what we call high-touch areas. We are using more disposable wipes that disinfect more quickly. We are adding more hand sanitizer machines throughout the airport. Our focus is in baggage areas, restrooms where we service international flights, said Stephen Metruk with Port of Seattle. They may seem like small measures, but these are the most effective measures that we know of to combat the spread of virus and other diseases. The governor says they are opening a state emergency center at Camp Murray, south of Tacoma. He said, "The potential exists. We will need more resources that are on hand today." Meanwhile, the State Department of Health website is updated every day 3 p.m. State health officials say that's where you can find the number of people whose test results are positive or negative. You'll also find the numbers of close contacts involving the one confirmed coronavirus patient in Washington state. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Listen News here. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video.